Hello everyone, welcome to Star PH TV. So another mail day video and probably our last video for this year 2023 guys. So kung ano naman to, let's check it out after this intro. So ayan guys, as said, yeah, probably our last video for this year. And while we are opening this pack, I would like to give a special shout out and thanks sa mga sumuport sa ating channel, especially yung ating mga members. So maraming salamat kay BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Sis Geb Hampas Lupang Burgess, si Sis Sensit by Tesha, si Sis Tess, si Junko Love, so si Sis from Cebu, and of course si Mami Madselen and si Mami Bel Sato. And big shout out and big thanks kay Daddy HLJ. So yun, si Daddy HLJ yung talagang malaking na itutulong sa ating pag-grow as a channel. So hindi tayo pinapabayaan ni Daddy HLJ. So kung may mga bagong YouTubers dyan or ano, just i-add nyo lang or subscribe or i-follow nyo si Daddy HLJ and of course si Mami Belsato for your channel. So yun, konting kwentuhan guys. This channel is all about collections and investment. So we started si Tower PH TV around 2020, so panahon ng pandemic to, and hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga ilalagay ko but before Tower PH TV, I started yung parang Facebook page, Tower Investment. So the reason why we got yung Tower is yung TWR, Together We Rise. So from there nga, since pataas siya and I'm a tall person, I'm about 6 foot, so naisip ko na yung Tower kasi yung TWR, if you read it, Tower, pero ang pinaka-meaning talaga nun is Together We Rise. And noong mga panahon na yun, I really am into different investments. So yan, stock market, crypto, and other stuff. Tapos nauso nga itong NBA cards, and yun, started din yung Tower PH TV. So if you check yung mga first few videos natin din talaga is mga about investments and unboxing din, kasi hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mga ilalagay ko. So we started as channel to unbox some techs, some shoes or cakes, and yun nga, tas konting investment. Although hindi ko na natuloy-tuloy yung investment kasi medyo nag-move tayo dito sa mga tangible na investment or mga collectibles. Medyo tinigil na natin yung crypto, and nawala rin yung saan natin sa mga stock market, although may plan pa rin to go back to stock market and mga crypto. So pasadahan mo natin to guys. These are actually from fire sale, so I just bought some random cards. As you see dun sa ating kasing Tower PH collection sa Shopee, we are selling repacks. So pag may mga nakukuha tayong mga magagandang cards na ganito at a very reasonable price, yun, kinuha natin siya, then we repack them, sinasamahan natin ng magandang insert, then we sell them as gold or silver packs din naman sa ating Tower PH collections. We also have din Tower PH collections natin sa YouTube, sa Facebook. So guys, please follow yung ating Facebook page na Tower PH collection. So yun, yung mga merchandise natin sa Shopee, then sa Tower PH collections. So these are collections of select cards from 2022, and the mix of these are Concourse Yata base cards with regular players and superstars. Nakita ko yan, si Trae Young, one of the upcoming superstar, and of course Ja Morant is back, and we got Jason Tatum. So big shout out kay bro Harris, naghanap siya ng Jason Tatum. And all this year, medyo naparami tayo sa NBA trading cards, and we collected several cards. Of course, ang pinaka-kinokollect natin yung Kobe Bryant cards, and as you can see dito sa mga videos natin, we're able to get some high-end Kobe Bryant cards, yung mga ano niya, jersey, game used materials like swatches and jersey patches. Yun lang, medyo hindi pa natin kaya yung mga autograph, so hopefully in the future makakuha tayo ng mga autograph cards. So, tatabi natin mga Jason Tatum, tingnan natin kung magustuhan siya ni Aris. And we got Russell Westbrook, TJ Warren, Lauri Markkanen, and Carmelo Anthony. And also may mga mix din tayo na mga from time to time, may mga nabubudol tayo sa Shopee and binubuksan natin or ina-unbox natin and nire-review. So sabi ko nga before you buy, nagkakaroon kayo ng chance na makita nyo kung ano yung mga products na yon. So ina-unbox natin. Some of the generic products na nakuha natin from Shopee or Lazada basically didn't really last long dahil nga of course yung quality, but for the enjoyment of it and nagamit din naman talaga sila for a while and medyo reasonable yung price niya, kaya I think you can buy another one kung medyo masira na yung isa. Of course yung mga kicks natin, we also showcase yung mga iba-ibang sapatos from Adidas. Like although yung iba sa shorts ko pa lang nagagawa, but promise by 2024 I will unbox them. Hindi lang tayo makapag create ng performance review dahil yun nga, this past few weeks medyo we are experiencing some pains due to sciatica, so medyo hindi tayo nakakapag basketball, but we still have our Adidas shoes, yung mga Kobe Bryant shoes na sinokis ni Kobe Bryant when he was a rookie, and of course yung GT Jump 2 na nandyan na hindi pa natin din na unbox, although na pakita na natin siya sa mga shorts. And if you browse through, marami din tayong mga shorts na different NBA cards. So yung this past few years kasi from 2019 to 2022 yata, medyo talagang lumakas yung mga NBA cards. And for most naman talaga, these are investments, especially dun sa mga special players. Of course, yung Kobe Bryant, medyo nagtataas pa rin talaga yung prices niya throughout the years. And yung mga upcoming superstars like Wembanyama, yan. So, yan yung mga hinahanap ngayon ng mga collectors. Of course, meron din tayo mga kinokollect ng mga toys, although I think this year medyo hindi tayo nakapagbukas, but hopefully next year makapag-open ulit, ulit tayo ng mga other toys. Yung mga ibang toys na doon, yung mga non-Dragon Ball, we are posting sa ating carousel. So may carousel din naman yun, although wala na halos pala kasi yung iba mga nabili na, like yung mga Naruto pair natin, nabili na rin just recently, yung Attack on Titan, so naibenta na rin natin siya. So yun yung sinasabi natin na we're able to get them low and we're able to sell them at a profit. Pero yung mga Dragon Ball figures natin nandito pa rin, especially yung bigay ni Mami Bell from Japan. So yun, naka-display yun and tinitingnan natin yun. Yun pa, so hopefully next year marami tayong nakaabang na video, may mga unboxing, review, and of course hindi mauubos to, as much as possible na madagdagan natin yung mga collections natin, especially mga Kobe Bryant, Jordan Clarkson. Hopefully next year makakuha na tayo ng kahit base lang or simpleng autograph card lang ni Kobe Bryant. So let me end up this unwrapping with this, some of the cards na numbered. We got this Bones Highland na Recon. Maganda yung quality ng card, yung ano lang medyo madumi. So this number to 299. Another Jaren Jackson Jr., another number to 299. Also this one, Jaren Jackson Jr. We got this Herbert Jones na gold, and another Bones Highland na numbered to 99. So this one hindi numbered, another numbered card to 299. So yun guys, let me end up by saying belated Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and of course, hope everyone have a blessed, prosperous, healthy New Year. So excited to see you soon sa mga susunod nating mga videos pa. So maraming salamat sa pag-join dito. Again, big shoutout sa ating mga members na si BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, Hampas Lupang Burgis, Mami Belsato, Mami Mads Helen, si Junko Lab, Jan RT Vlog, and si Taste and Sip by Tesha. I hope nag-enjoy kayo dun sa sa gift ko, and yun, hopefully next year marami pa rin tayong mga pag-giveaways. Yung kay Mami Belsato hindi pa natin napapadala, but mapadala natin siya by early next year. Mapa-ship na natin papunta sa iyo, Mami Bel. So yun, again, maraming salamat sa mga nagsusupport sa atin ng mga mukbangers, SM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. Sobrang dami, medyo hindi ko na mabanggit lahat. So sila Miss Ida Gray, si Sis Enday, dami, si Miss Margie, si tapos yung mga kasama natin sa YT Friends, YT Family, of course si Atias, si Shane, si Tita It's Me, Emma. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Happy New Year, and yun, kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang mga videos. And as a treat, let me show you guys after nito yung ating intro for 2024. So yun guys, maraming salamat. Thanks for joining me, and see you next year, 2024. Happy New Year. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.